Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my unboxing from Simply Earth. I wanted to show you the funny little sticker there. They do have a sticker of like who packed it, and there's scarecrows this month. That's so funny. The Christmas one was adorable, but yeah, just had to show that to you. So fun. So this is a monthly subscription where you get essential oils. You always get 4. There's recipes, little recipe cards, additional ingredients over here. It's tons of fun. Every box has a theme. This month it is women's health. So you get your stickers, so you can label the tops of what you make, also the tops of the essential oils, and yeah, little stickers for the other products. Super cute. So first we're going to look at the recipe cards. The first one is a beauty skincare balm. All the recipes are fairly simple. Sometimes they do continue on the back if there's a couple extra steps. Otherwise, the backs of the cards will have advertisements and other information. Turmeric infusion. And it tells you how long it takes, shelf life. That's awesome. So that one does continue on the back as well. Then we have a cooling spray. On the back of that card is a note from Katie, who's the recipe formulator for Simply Earth. Then we have a Mother's Day diffuser blend. I like their diffuser blends a lot. Sneak peek for next month's box. Tells you what oils you're getting. A Flow roll-on. And this is my favorite card. For the May 2022 box, it shows all the essential oils and their general safety, if it's okay for kids and pets and pregnancy, all that stuff. And then the last one is a moisturizing hair mask. And on the back one is a card that talks about they donate 13% of all profits to an organization that fights human trafficking, and that switches every month. So this month they're supporting 5 Stones in Wisconsin. Super awesome. So let's take a look at our extras. We do have a spray bottle. Oh, that's cute. A little homemade container for one of the other recipes. It's adorable, and you could also write on it. Then we have some aloe vera. Anything else you need, extra containers, carrier oils, that all comes in your big bonus box, which you get twice a year. So every 6 months you get that. So we have marjoram. Did I say that right? Who knows? But it tells you like the aroma on the back, the origin. So I like those bottles. They're very detailed. Then we have Lady's Choice, which is a blend. Let's see what's in here. Clary sage, geranium, marjoram again, and lavender. So that probably smells pretty good. And then we have spearmint. That's a good one. And the last one is lemon. So that's what came in the May box. If you guys would like to join, I do have a promo code below and a link. You will get a gift card if it's your first time signing up for a subscription. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.